Looking for great music on the go without spending a fortune? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best budget MP3 players that deliver amazing value without breaking the bank. From sound quality to portability, I'll walk you through what makes each one worth your money, and of course, I'll share both the pros and the cons so you know exactly what to expect. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick. Mechen M30 HiFi MP3 Player. I've been using the Mechen M30 HiFi MP3 Player for a while, and it really impressed me with its sound quality. The audio is crisp, detailed, and supports high-resolution files like DSD, which makes a big difference compared to regular players. The included 64GB memory card is generous, and expandable storage ensures you won't run out of space for music. The build feels solid yet lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Battery life is decent, lasting long enough for daily use. My only complaint is that the interface feels a bit outdated and takes some time to get used to. Overall, great value for audiophiles. Number 2. My second best pick. Hidizs AP80 Pro X MP3 Player. The AP80 Pro X MP3 Player delivers outstanding audio performance for its size. Thanks to the dual ESS 9219C DAC chips, the sound is incredibly clean and detailed, with excellent separation that makes every instrument stand out. Bluetooth with LDAC support works smoothly, giving you flexibility for both wired and wireless listening. The compact design and touchscreen make it highly portable and easy to use on the go. I also appreciate the wide file support, from FLAC to MQA and DSD-256, which ensures maximum compatibility. The only drawback is that the battery life could be better, especially when streaming via Bluetooth. Still, it's a fantastic choice for serious music lovers. Number 3. My third best pick. Sony Walkman Hi-Res 16GB MP3 Player. The Sony Walkman NW-A105 is a stylish and powerful MP3 player that really shines in audio quality. High-resolution playback brings out details you'd easily miss on a smartphone, and the sound is rich, clear, and balanced. Running on Android, it allows streaming apps like Spotify and YouTube, which makes it more versatile than many other players. The design feels premium and fits easily in the pocket, with a responsive touchscreen for smooth navigation. However, the built-in 16GB storage is quite limited, so adding a microSD card is almost a must if you have a large music library. Overall, it's a solid pick for music enthusiasts who value quality. Number 4. My fourth best pick. HiBy R4 MP3 and MP4 Player's Spotify Player. The HiBy R4 is a versatile high-resolution music player that impressed me with its sound quality. Supporting both MP3 and MP4 playback, along with 4-way hi-fi output, the audio is crisp, detailed, and dynamic, making it perfect for audiophiles. The Android 12 OS and built-in Wi-Fi let you easily access streaming apps like Spotify, adding convenience. I also love the expandable memory option. 32GB onboard plus support up to 2 TB, means you can carry an enormous library. The only downside is that the device feels a bit bulky compared to other portable players, which may affect pocketability. Overall, a fantastic choice for serious music lovers. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. H2 HiFi MP3 Player with Bluetooth. The H2 HiFi MP3 Player delivers impressive audio quality for its price. The sound is clear and detailed, with excellent support for lossless formats like FLAC and DSD, making it ideal for audiophiles. Bluetooth connectivity works smoothly for wireless listening, and the included 64GB memory card plus support for up to 512GB gives plenty of storage for large music libraries. The build feels solid and portable, making it easy to carry around. My only gripe is that the interface can be a bit unintuitive at first, requiring some time to get used to. Overall, it's a great value for high-resolution music on the go. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite budget MP3 players? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.